Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Well, I'm like a mess right now. Like, this is terrible. Can I fucking lie? Anyway, I hate this. This is really bad. Today, what I want to do is basically a summer makeup look. Both functional for summer and just one that like reminds me of summer. You know what I mean? Let's just like get started. I don't know. And this just looks absolutely crazy. Oh my god. But you know what? I'm not here to... That's the thing. I'm not here to be beautiful. I'm not even here to be smart. I'm gonna start off with my favorite thing recently. It's my sunscreen. Ready? Look. Like, that just satisfying. Like, I don't know why. I hate it here. Thumbnail? I'm gonna just deal with it. Ugh, I have no idea how long I wasn't recording for. How long did I do this like whole rambling thing on? I use this concealer. The reason why I wanted to do this makeup today was actually because I wanted to do a TikTok because Hashini and I, my bestie, we were gonna do that TikTok where you like choose photos for each other for like your personality and stuff like that. And I looked like crap. And I was like, you know what, maybe I'll do like a little bit of makeup just to do like the beginning of that one. And I already wanted to film this. So it just worked out that I'll hit two birds with one stone. I have no idea why, but I just felt the need to brush through my eyebrows. I'm not even going to be doing them right now. So, other tip or whatever, my variation. I wouldn't powder. For winter, I wouldn't powder.
Security! Can you please escort this lady over here out?
So I'm going to go in with this lash and brow e.l.f. gel stuff. I'm just going to put it through my eyebrows. I really want the Brow Freeze by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It just looks so aesthetically pleasing. Aesthetically pleasing? It just looks so satisfying. That's what I meant. I'm just gonna wait for this to dry, but I don't know what else to say. Should we go in with the eyes while my eyebrows dry? Maybe. So, maybe with the rest of the face too while we're at it. I mean, we might as well. So, what I think that the trend or whatever for this summer is going to be in terms of makeup, and I can't tell all the trends because I'm not that good, but I really do think that blush and just blush is going to be taking over, whereas we don't use any bronzer. That is at least what I'm going to be doing, and I feel like I've been noticing more and more of that. But whether that's just like your warm blush or like my good old pinkish blush, I think that that is just going to be like kind of like a takeover for this like flushed look. Today in particular, I might be using my VIEVE Piazza blush and then going over with a little bit more of a pinky tone. This is also going on my eyes. And you know, I've been like experimenting more with my blush lately and like the placement because my face is kind of like, if you look, kind of like lopsided, and so I try to like even it out with the placement, whereas like this one kind of looks higher than this side. I try to like lift this one and kind of keep this one more in the middle. Like, there's not a whole lot I can do because I'm lopsided. because of it's like the type of color that it is, it just fits going all around the face. So like I'm even gonna bring it up where I might put bronzer. I'm gonna take a break from finishing up the face to do the rest of the eyebrows. So I'm gonna go in with the Wow Brow by e.l.f, which is more of like a pomade with fibers. And I'm gonna go through where I put the gel before. This just like thickens them, and it's like you don't even need to fill them in. But, you know, like I'm going to fill in the sparse areas or do any corrections that I need to with my powder, but bless me. That sneeze, I think, gave me a headache. We are going into the eyes. Like I already mentioned, I'm gonna be using my blush. You know, like it's like a high, your brow bone's like high point, like up here. So I figure like it pulls it all together. And I did this already and it looks cream. Is that a cyberpunk reference that I just said in person?
Yep, real fucking preem.
Next I'm gonna start calling y'all chooms and gonk. See? Difference? I will take the white from this e.l.f. palette down here, and I will be putting that in my inner corners and my brow bone. I'm gonna do a little bit of a smoky type of wing with the same color I used on my eyebrows. Just because I feel like I need a wing. I kind of feel like I need a wing. There we go. Now for my favorite part. Put some of this VIEVE Skin Dew Glow Multitasker. I just pat the excess off my finger. Then we go in. Look at it. I can never get enough when I look at putting this on. Like, are you kidding me? I'm going with a primer first. Just wait a minute for that to dry. I guess while we're doing that, I can go in with the lips. So I'm just gonna wipe off a little bit of the lip balm. And again, another VIEVE product. I'm just gonna lightly line with the Brat lip pencil. And this is just to give like a base. I love lip liner all the time. Whether it's just wearing lip balm on top of it or whatever, I feel like it just defines my lip. And that's why I use it. I like go over a little bit. Diffuse any harsh lines. Seems like really cute. Now that this is dry, I'm gonna go in with my NARS Climax Mascara sample and go just over top. And now the last step is my little lip balm type of thing. This is my go-to, especially for the summer. It's like moisturizing and everything, and it's just like the perfect color that reminds me of summer. Pat them and everything. I'm just gonna like put some on my nose. That's what I always do. The leftovers. That makes me want to just put more blush on. And I might add my e.l.f. one. Remember, like I said at the beginning? And that is the look. I just feel like it looks really natural, fresh, sun-kissed, but flush. You know, dewy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you gave it you a little inspiration for summer. She British now.
If I don't sound ridiculous, I don't know who this man is.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy. And I hope you come back again. I need to shut this off and leave.